We'll guide you through how to use and control a Hisense TV without the remote. Perhaps you're in this situation where you've lost the remote, it's run out of battery, or there's something else up with it, and you're unable to use it. So we're going to guide you through how you can still go and use your Hisense TV, as perhaps you need to go and turn it off, go and turn it on, or do something else with it. So usually there's going to be a button on it. So what we can do is go and use that, and we're going to guide you through this. So the button is going to be on the bottom somewhere. You can go and put your hand under here, and you may go and find it here. For me, I need to go to the left, just back here, and I'm going to find a button. If you're struggling to go and find it, I recommend just lifting up the Hisense TV and looking for it. I can now go and feel it here, and you want to go and press it. It's now starting to come on. Now, if your TV is already on and you want to use it, you can go and press it, and then this opens up, and you can then go and tap through what you want. So you can go and change the volume, you can go and power off, change the source, and then tap and hold it, and it's going to go and then make the action. So I'm just tapping and holding on power off, and then it will go on power off, as you can see.